Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Hi, Tina. Hold on 1 second, please. All right. Sorry about that, everybody. Happy Thursday to you. Thank you, everybody, for joining me. I appreciate it. Thank you. And welcome to Jamie's Cocktail Time at 4. Hello, Thomas. Hello, Gretchen. Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate it. Marcus and I just got back from 2 days away with our children in Lake George. It was awesome. We rented a boat. We went on the boat. We had good food. Hold on 1 second. Can you just answer this and just tell Tina? Just say hello and say Jamie's on the Facebook Live. Thank you. So we just got back. And we had a great 2 days, so I got a little bit of color on the boat. Hello, Cheryl. Thanks, everybody, for joining me. Hello, Matthew. Today is Thursday. We have jazz tonight in the garden, 6:30 with John Simon and friends. We have a beer dinner on Monday night, 6:30. 4 beers and a dish for $29. We're going to be doing the Stone Epic Vertical. I think we have, let's see, 7... 10, 11, and 12. So 4 different beers from Stone on Monday. We have reservations available for that. It is at 6:30 on Monday. 4 beers and a dish for $29. Can't beat that. Call and make reservations for that. That is a reservation only. It's hard to just show up and us not be prepared for that. Monday nights have been busy, so prepare for that. Our $9.99 special this week is shrimp scampi with broccoli or sauteed veg and rice for $9.99 to go. We are open tonight. The garden is open. It looks like it's going to be a nice night. So come on out, give us a call, make a reservation, get a to-go order. We'd love to have you. We're here all weekend. We open Friday at 5, Saturday and Sunday at 3, and Monday at 5, and then close Tuesdays and Wednesdays. So, all right, let's see. So today I am going to be making a mojito, a vanilla pineapple mojito. I have not made this before, but it sounds awesome and great, and I'm excited to make it for you. Has anybody been making any drinks at home? Anybody have some cool cocktails they want to share with me? I always love to hear what everybody is making. Yeah, because he's on the phone. That's okay. It's going to be what it's going to be. So I took some fresh mint, put it in my glass, some lime juice, some limes, some fresh lime juice, some agave, and we're going to muddle that all up, muddle that all together. All right, and we're going to add this awesome Mad River vanilla rum. So 2 ounces of Mad River rum. And mix that on up in there. I like to mix my agave with the liquor that I'm using because it melts the agave and it helps, and the agave is not on the bottom. It's like honey. Agave doesn't mix up very well. So some pineapple juice, probably about 1 ounce. So it is mint, lime, vanilla rum from Mad River in Vermont. Awesome distillery, awesome owners. A great place if you're ever in that area. Check it out. It is, let's see, Warren, Vermont. So I just love their stuff. We use their regular rum in all of our mojitos. I'm going to add some ice to my glass. And a splash of lemon lime. And the rest seltzer. Mix that on up. Give that a good mix, everybody. And mix it up. I'm excited about this. You know, when we were away, Courtney got a mojito, and it just was not good. It's amazing. When you use cheap ingredients, you get a cheap taste. So I highly recommend buying local, buying independent, and getting good products. So here we go. Let's go ahead and taste the pineapple vanilla. Ooh, pineapple vanilla mojito. Delicious. Hope everybody's having an awesome day. Hope you're having an awesome week. Get out there. Go enjoy this weather that we're having. It's not super hot, so it's been a nice weather. Hello, Raffaella. Hello, Thomas. Hello, Cheryl. Hello, Sean and Hillary. There's lots of people on today. if you make cool cocktails at home, you're using local ingredients, let me know. Let me know what distilleries. We're always interested. I was live the other day at Springbrook Hollow in right outside of Lake George. We were there the other day. I could use about 6 of these right now. Hello, Raffaella. That is a good friend of mine that I went to high school with. I can understand. Hello, Lisa. Hello, Ralph. Thanks, everybody, for listening to me. Those of you that have not heard about our new business, Your Car, Our Driver through VIP Winery Vacations. We were doing Italy vacations, travel with Marcus and I to Italy. Those have come to a stop until hopefully next year. But we are doing tours to the Finger Lakes. Our next tour is November 5th through the 7th. If you'd like information on that, VIPWineryVacations.com. And Courtney and Marcus just started a brand new business called Your Car, Our Driver in the Hudson Valley. We will send a licensed driver to your house or to wherever you want us to pick you up. We pick you up, drive your car, they drive your car. They take you to wineries and breweries and they get you back safely. Much cheaper than a limo, much cheaper than a bus, depending upon how many people can fit in your car, 2 to 4 people. If you have a back seat, you can get up to 7 people. We provide the driver, it's $42 an hour. They drive you around, get you home safely, better than a DWI. And that is also available VIPWineryVacations.com. So if you want us to book a bachelorette party or just you and your husband going out or just you and your boyfriend or just you and a girlfriend, we will do that for you. There's a minimum of 4 hours. Give us a call. Go on VIPWineryVacations.com. Find out the information. That is awesome. And that's it for today. Cheers. A mojito with pineapple and vanilla rum. The vanilla rum is from Mad River. Cheers. Hope everybody has an awesome day, and I will catch you tomorrow on my Facebook Live. Have an awesome night, everybody.